brave men give their lives in hunger strike 1981. For Ireland's bravest men, we must be united and manly of the ten. England, you're a monster, don't think that you have won. We'll never be defeated while Ireland has such sons. And those 338 blockaders send brave young Irishmen play. Argument for justice while the young lives have the way. For the rights as Irish soldiers and to free their native land. They stood beside their leader, oh, the gallant Bobby Sands. Now they mourn choosing Volim, braver preach in Arna's hills. In the narrow streets of Eire, they miss O'Hara's hill. They so proudly gave their young lives to break Britannia's hold. The names will be remembered as history unfolds. So read the roll of honor for Ireland's bravest men. We must be united and manly of the ten. England, you're a monster, don't think that you have won. We will never be defeated while Ireland has such sons. Through the war-torn streets of Ulster, the black flags that sadly wave to salute 10 Irish martyrs, the bravest of the brave. John McDonnell had to listen to the rich here in darkness. They gave their lives for freedom with Thomas McElwain. Oh, Michael Devine from Free-Derry, you are the last to die. With your 9 brave companions, with the martyr dead you lie. Your souls cry out, remember, our deaths were not in vain. So fight on and make our honor a nation once again. So read the roll of honor for Ireland's bravest men. We must be united